everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Follow Your True Azimuth micro podcast. I'm Scott Graham, your host, and today we are joined by Brian Winch. Brian is an author and mentor, and most notably, he has been cleaning up litter from parking lots since 1981. Hi, Brian. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Scott. It's great to be here. I'm really pumped. I hope we can inspire some people to follow their passions.
You know, one of the things that stands out to me as the host of this show and hearing people's stories is their drive, their focus, and most importantly, their positivity. I mean, positivity about life, positivity about the challenges they face, positivity about their efforts to follow their true azimuth. Listen as Brian tells his story for the positivity that's just oozing out everywhere. Take it away, Brian.
A time I struggled with my true azimuth was in 1981. I just started a business. My father had just passed away recently at the time, and I didn't have many skills, much of an education, or a lot of money. So I was inspired to start my business from one of his side hustles. He was a janitor, and he did a number of things on the side, cutting grass, clearing snow, and cleaning up litter from a parking lot in the neighborhood. And he had taken me along with him a couple of times when I was a young teenager. And I was determined to make him proud in his memory. But unfortunately, I didn't have his experience to call upon. So I was pretty much on my own when I started my business. I didn't, like I say, have a lot of experience. So I had to learn all sorts of things, how to market, how to sell. Back in 1981, of course, there wasn't the internet, so it was more difficult to obtain this information. I had to go to the public library, a number of bookstores, and pick up information on various business topics. And I read all sorts of things to read and learn. And of course, the school of hard knocks is the best teacher. So I lived and learned, if you will, and kept plugging away. I have the 3 P's, patience, passion, persistence. I never gave up. And eventually I was rewarded from my efforts with a couple of contracts for 2 properties to maintain. And it all grew from there. And I owe it all to my determination to make my dad proud. And I would encourage everyone else there's always a solution to your problems, and you just need to look for it.
Brian, thank you so much for sharing your story and being on the show today.
It was great being on your show, Scott. I really enjoyed myself. If people want to learn more about my opportunity and myself, I encourage them to check out my website, cleanlots.com. I have a free PDF download on my site, as well as a video showing how my work really is almost as easy to do as going for a walk.